guys. We are out here. We're at the International Orlando Heli-Tours right now, and we're about to check out Orlando from the sky. We're gonna take a helicopter ride, and we're gonna go up and see SeaWorld from above. We're gonna also see Disney Springs from the air, and we'll probably see Aquatica Orlando, which is a large water park that they have here. Check it out, peeps. We're gonna bring you guys with us, but before we start the video, like this video, and also feel free to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Come with us as we show you Orlando from the sky. tour in the skies here in Orlando. We did the helicopter ride with International Heli-Tours. It did cost us about $45 per person, and it's just for a 6-minute flight. So you get 6 minutes in the sky. We went over Aquatica Orlando, we went over SeaWorld, and then we did like an about turn and came back around and landed. It's literally only about 6 minutes, guys. There are other packages for 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, but they get increasingly more expensive, obviously. The cheapest package is actually $25, but you only go up in the sky for 3 minutes. So basically you go up and come back down. It's pretty quick. It was an exciting adventure. Our first time going on a helicopter. Well, my first time. Dorothy has already been on a helicopter in the Grand Canyon. You do have the option to tip the helicopter pilot. You can either do that before you head in, once you settle up your bill at the beginning, or you can do it afterwards. It's standard tips here in the States, like 15%, 18%. It gets higher. You can just give as much as you feel like they deserve. That's pretty much it for this video. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you like more videos like this, and we're gonna see you in our next video here in Orlando. Stay tuned. Peace out.